The children just won't let me be great. They always want snacks. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesdays. Today my tip is always use water. Yes, I know. If your hair is dry, use some water. I mean, when you're thirsty, you drink water, right? The same thing goes for your hair and your scalp, right? Your scalp is skin. So if you're dry, you moisturize, don't you? So it's the same for your scalp and your hair. When my hair feels dry and it's not wash day, or I don't want to do a cold wash, long, I just spray my hair with some water, seal in with an oil, or use leave-in conditioner, or you style your hair. Just carry on and style your hair. Your hair will be instantly moisturized. Don't be scared of water. You don't always have to drench your hair. You could simply just spritz a bit of water on and continue about your day. I do it all the time, and there's nothing worse than dry hair. Dry hair breaks, so that means you will never retain length. Moisturized hair can withstand the elements outside, the cold, the heat. It's just use your water, guys. Okay? Right. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for Quick Tip Tuesdays.